Okay, welcome to this short video on how to upgrade to the latest version of the WP-localbiz theme. In this video we're working with version 1.61, which is the latest version, but all subsequent versions the same principle will apply. So what you'll notice in the back end of the WP admin panel of your WP-localbiz site is that you'll see a panel here. It might not be in this position. It might be, somewhere else in the admin panel. In this case, I've just shifted it down there, down to the bottom. But you'll notice a link there that says WP-localbiz version 1.61 is now here. This is just basically informing you that it's here, and that links to a post in the blog telling you how to go about upgrading. That's not what this video is about. I needed to point that out to you just so there was no confusion as to, well, that's the upgrade link. It isn't. This is what you do. You go down to Appearance and you click on Themes, and in the Themes folder you'll see that the current version used is WP-localbiz, but we're using version 1.5.0, and right at the bottom here it says there is a new version of WP-localbiz available. That happens every time we upload a new version. View the details or update automatically. If you click on View Details, it will open up a fancy box pop-out window that gives you all the latest details of the features of what's in the upgrade. As you can see here, yes, all that looks good. We'd like to have one of those. So to update, it is as simple as this, folks. You just click on where it says Update Automatically, obviously. When you do that, it cautions you that updating this theme will lose any customizations you've made, and you can click to cancel or you can proceed. If you have changed some of the files, customized them yourself, a style sheet or whatever, you'd know about that, and you'd save them and overlay them later. But for the most part, people generally just use the theme as it is, in which case you are good to go and you're quite safe to click OK and upgrade. Now this process takes usually a few seconds, and this is all in real time, and you can see it's as quick as that. It's theme updated successfully. We're as good as gold there. We just click on that, return to the themes page, and you can see here it's been done. WP-localbiz 1.61 by Syntonic Sites is uploaded. Now, although that's the active theme, what we actually need to do as of this version, we introduce some things into the database that there's a script that enables that upon activation of the theme. So we actually need to deactivate that theme and then reactivate it again. The best way of doing that is just temporarily activate one of the other themes you've got in the default library, and then we've just activated 2010, and immediately we'll just go back and activate WP-localbiz 1.61 again, and that basically gives a message to write to the database and say, hey, install these database tables, which has been done. So that's all done now. That's good to go, and it is as simple as that to upgrade using the automatic upgrade feature in the WP admin themes folder. Now, what do you do if, for instance, you can't find that upgrade link for whatever reason? It should be there, but let me just show you how to upgrade. If you've seen there's an upgrade available and you can't find that link and you don't know what to do, basically just go to the downloads area in the member site, which is wp-localbiz.com/downloads, and here we are. Once you use your password to get in there, you'll see that we've put in here latest version WP-localbiz 1.61 theme only download as of January 28th. You'd click on that, download it to your desktop, and in this case we've already done that. What I'm going to do, and what you'll have to do, is whatever version of the theme you've got in there, which at present is probably 1.5.0, is just delete completely that theme, because if you try and upload over the top, it'll tell you the files already exist and you can't. Okay, so now that we've deactivated WP-localbiz theme, we can delete it. Okay, that link doesn't show up until such time as you deactivate it. So do you want to go ahead? Yes, we want to go ahead. Okay, so we're going to delete that. That will be deleted completely. So now we have not got localbiz in there at all. Okay, what we're going to do is install themes, and we will select from that zip file we just downloaded from the members download. portal. So we just click on upload, and it'll ask us to browse. Where do you want it to come from? Yes, we want it to come from desktop. Install now. Now, when you click on that, it'll take, depending on the speed of your connection, your internet connection, it'll take between half a minute and maybe a minute. It kind of seems like forever compared with the other process that takes 2 or 3 seconds, but it might take you 30 seconds because there are an awful lot of files to upload from scratch when you're doing it this way. But that's sending the files up to the server now. And when that's done, which shouldn't be very much longer, it'll tell us that all of the files have been installed and we're good to go. In which case, we then don't need to deactivate and reactivate because we've already gone through that process doing it this way. So you can see down the left-hand corner here, it says sending request to localnichewebsites.com, which is where it's being uploaded to the local electrician niche site. And taking a little bit longer, a little bit of a slow connection tonight, but I'm doing this deliberately in real time, so you can see that it can take, you know, a minute. It might even take a couple of minutes, but quite often it's only like, you know, half a minute to a minute kind of thing, and it should have been done by now. And I think we are getting somewhere. I kind of get the feel. Yes, away we go. Unpacking the package, installing, theme installed successfully, preview, activate. And that's the process that is going to activate the theme and write to the database and include those tables we want in there. WP-localbiz 1.61 bisyntonic sites is active. That's it, folks. That's what you do if you need to update manually. So I've given you both formats. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye now.